Bonjour, hi! So in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna create my wedding invitations. Take a piece of parchment paper and a large plate. Light up a candle. Put 2 beads of wax in the little spoon. The trick that I found, and it's pretty useful, is to use the metal part of a champagne bottle to hold the spoon. Let the wax melt for a few seconds, and then you can pour the wax on the parchment paper. Immediately put the stamp on it, and then leave it for a few seconds. Then delicately remove it, and that's it. So I printed my invitations on felt paper. I think it's 100 milligrams, but it's a white felt paper. I went to a print store. You can find just a regular print store, and you ask them the type of paper they have. And this one, I think the felt paper I chose is a pretty standard one, but it's perfect. For the little design, I created it on Canva. For this little design here, I asked a woman on Etsy. She draws like amazing illustrations. The price was very reasonable, and she does it in 3 days. You have your design, and you can personalize your design at the date of your events. Like, it's really amazing. And after, I just used this part here and the dog here, so you can create whatever you want as well. You can ask her to send you the document, the file separately. So this is the material you need. First, I bought this ribbon, so you can find them in a fabric store, or I'm pretty sure you can find them online as well. So I chose Tiffany blue, but like kit, and I created a little stamp with our initials. This is my gold wax. Very important, you need a piece of parchment cooking paper. I wanted to add some vellum paper, so it's a transparent paper, so I bought one on Amazon. Now let's start to create. and I found some envelopes that fitted my invitation size. I wanted to find like heavy and big envelopes, so these are the final envelopes. It's the pristine white and it's exactly the color I wanted.